As a project management expert, I often encounter individuals and teams seeking the right tools to streamline their workflows, enhance collaboration, and ultimately achieve their goals. Among the plethora of options available, Nifty has emerged as a noteworthy platform, promising a comprehensive suite of features. However, a common question that surfaces, especially for those new to project management software or on a tight budget, is Nifty free or paid? Let's delve into this question with clarity, breaking down Nifty's pricing structure in a way that's easy for anyone to understand. Whether you're a student exploring project management concepts or a seasoned professional looking for a new solution, the multi-tiered approach, understanding Nifty's pricing strategy. Nifty operates on a freemium model. This means they offer a free plan alongside several paid subscription tiers. This approach is quite common in the software-as-a-service (SaaS) industry, allowing users to get a feel for the platform's core functionalities before committing to a paid subscription. Think of it like this. Imagine a restaurant offering a complimentary appetizer. It gives you a taste of their culinary style and quality, and if you enjoy it, you're more likely to order a full meal from their paid menu. Similarly, Nifty's free plan provides a basic set of features, allowing you to experience the platform's interface and some of its core capabilities. Decoding the free plan, what you get without spending a dime. Nifty's free plan is designed primarily for individuals and small teams just starting with project management or those with very basic needs. It offers a solid foundation for managing tasks and projects without incurring any costs. Here's a breakdown of what you typically get with the free plan. Limited number of projects. The free plan usually restricts the number of active projects you can manage simultaneously. This limitation encourages users with more extensive project portfolios to consider a paid plan. For instance, you might be limited to managing only 1 or 2 active projects at a time. Limited number of team members. Similarly, the free plan typically restricts the number of team members you can invite to collaborate on your projects. This makes it suitable for very small teams or individual users. You might be limited to inviting only a handful of collaborators. Core features. The free plan generally includes essential project management features such as task management, creating, assigning, and tracking tasks with deadlines and dependencies. This allows you to break down larger projects into manageable steps. Kanban boards. Visualizing workflows using columns to represent different stages of a project, allowing for easy tracking of task progress. Imagine a board with columns like To Do, In Progress, and Completed, where tasks move across as they are worked on. List views. Organizing tasks in a simple list format for a more traditional view. Basic collaboration. Features like commenting on tasks and basic file sharing might be included. This enables team members to communicate and share relevant documents directly within the project. Gantt charts, potentially limited. Some free plans might offer a basic version of a Gantt chart, providing a visual timeline of project tasks and their durations. However, advanced functionalities like critical path analysis might be reserved for paid plans. Storage limitations. Free plans often come with limitations on the amount of storage space available for uploaded files. This encourages users with large file sharing needs to upgrade. You might have a few gigabytes of storage, which is sufficient for basic document sharing but could become restrictive for projects with many large files. Limited support. Customer support for free plans is usually more limited compared to paid plans. You might have access to basic documentation or community forums but not dedicated one-on-one support. In essence, the free plan serves as an excellent entry point to experience Nifty's core functionalities for simple project management needs. It's ideal for individuals managing personal projects, freelancers handling a limited number of clients, or very small teams with straightforward workflows.